Hello friends, I'm Akbar and you are watching AA channel. Today I ordered something in online. I was see in Facebook, YouTube and TikTok. So many people there was order something in online, like online order they gave, and they got the fake product. Like there was order something, anything there was order means they order, but they did not get that exact things whatever there was order. After that, when they like open the box, they see like something, if they order like phone, they get the clay. And sometimes some people or some like kids, they was order some toys and they get nothing in box. Inside the box they get nothing. So for that I was think that why don't I check it, so people, you guys can understand, or you guys can see like what is actual is going on. For that I will tell you that never ever, if you order anything in online, it's good. Like you don't need to go anywhere else, so you can get the things in front of your door, like if you order in online. For that, never give the money. Like when you order some, like some people, they said you have to pay first. Before they give order you have to pay, and after that, yeah, they give the delivery and the things also, but inside the box you got nothing. That's why I said never give like that. When you get the order, you open the box and then you see if your product is that one, like which one you ordered, that one is correct, you get, then you can pay. This is the processor, so you can do, and your money will be not waste. That was my suggestion. And let's check. I was ordered something today and they will bring it, maybe after half an hour they will say it. So I will check, but I did not pay any money. So when they will come, I will check, then I will give the money. For that they give like they tell me I cannot open, and if there is nothing, like something they said, then it is not allowed. But they said they will give me the warranty paper, like with the device, like which one I order, they will give the warranty paper. If anything happen or anything wrong, then I can exchange or something like that. Like this, if you have anything like evidence or something like this, like warranty paper or guarantee paper, whatever you have, then you can pay. Otherwise never pay any money or for that. Okay, so let's see. When he will come, I will let you know. Stay tuned, and please, before that, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And guys, most important things, now is corona time, so please, before you go anywhere or you are taking anything from outside or anyone else, please wear your mask and hand gloves. See, I wear the hand gloves and here I have a mask, because now I'm inside my car and he will come. That's why I'm alone in the car, no one is with me, so still I'm here. And when he will come, I will use the sanitizer and then I will take the product, like that things I will take. And this is the most important things, this is for your safety, not for anyone else. Okay, so if you are safe, then your family or your friends, then everyone can save, because you are gathering with your families and your friends. So if you are safe, then they will be safe. So please do not ignore these things, please. Hi friends, so just now our water is came back, so we'll check. Where is he? So guys, our car is came. We'll check. Hi. Oh, तो बहुत छोटा है. So friends, you can see we got our product, and this one you can see like SQ11 Mini DV. So camera is full HD and 1920x, then 1080. So it's, they're saying it's good. So we'll check video, then PC camera, take pictures also. Wow. Record, then okay, then here you can see the details. Alright, but here one things I got the, well, like very simple, like they said, here it's written like battery is 200 ampere. It's very low, but still I did not use and I did not open, so we'll check how is it, like how long we can use it with this battery. So yeah, okay. The mask, it's better. So guys, you can see here we got the camera, and so small. Okay, and with this we got the USB cable for the PC, as like they said, see, like we're here. Yeah, they said here we can use in PC also, connected with PC. Then this one is the like tripod, the mini tripod for the camera, we can fix anywhere. Then this one, yeah, clip, that's it. And this is the paper.